back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a hero tier list. I'm pretty sure we're doing DC heroes. I'm pretty sure Anti-Venom is a DC hero. Well, he's not a hero, but he's Anti-Venom, so it still counts. First, we're gonna be doing Flash. He's a basic character. I'll give him B. Kid Flash. He's basically the same, but the original's better. I'll give him like a D. Beast Boy. He can shapeshift into animals. That's pretty useful. But Flash can still beat him, honestly, if we really think about that. Raven, she's getting an S tier. Cyborg, easy A tier. Carnage, to be honest, a D tier also. Starfire, she's getting an A tier. Spider-Man getting an S tier also. He right there. Batman, since he don't have any powers. I know Robin don't have powers, but actually, let me get Robin. Just put him right there. That concludes my video. All I was doing for this video was making a short video for you guys, because I need likes. Bye-bye, guys.